Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've been thinking about getting into the side-by-side world, you've probably seen the big names, Polaris, Can-Am, Yamaha. But what if you're looking for a serious machine that doesn't come with a serious price tag? Today, we're checking out the Massimo T-Boss 560, a UTV that's promising a ton of features and capability for a fraction of the cost. The big question is this the perfect UTV for a first-time buyer? Let's get into it. First impressions matter, and the T-Boss 560 looks the part. It's got that rugged, purposeful design you expect from a UTV, with a sturdy-looking front bumper, a hard-top roof, and even half doors straight from the factory. A lot of those are expensive add-ons for the competition, so that's a huge plus right out of the gate. You've got LED headlights for great visibility, and even a tilting windshield to help on those hot days. Stepping inside, the cabin is straightforward and functional. You've got 2 seats with headrests, and the controls are all right where you'd expect them to be. But what really stands out is this, a 10-inch touchscreen display. This is something you usually find on much more expensive UTVs. It's not just a gimmick, it comes with integrated front and rear cameras, which is a fantastic feature for navigating tight spots and a huge bonus for a beginner. Now for the guts of the machine. The T-Boss 560 is powered by a 493 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine that puts out a solid 33 horsepower. This is paired with an automatic CVT transmission with high, low, neutral, and reverse gears. It's a setup that's simple to operate, which is exactly what you want if this is your first UTV. The top speed is around 45 miles per hour, 72 kilometers per hour, which is perfect for trail riding, property work, and cruising around the farm. The T-Boss 560 is a true work and play machine. It has a selectable 2WD and 4WD system with a locking differential. This means you can switch into 4-wheel drive to tackle mud, snow, or tough terrain, and then go back to 2-wheel drive for better fuel economy and handling on easier trails. This versatility is key for a UTV that has to do a little bit of everything, and it's not just for fun. The T-Boss 560 is built to work. It has a piston-assisted dumping cargo bed with a capacity of 330 to 400 pounds. And one of the most impressive standard features is the 3,000-pound front-mounted winch. That's a powerful tool for pulling yourself out of a sticky situation or hauling heavy logs and equipment. It also boasts a 1,200-pound towing capacity, so you can haul trailers with confidence. Ride quality is surprisingly good. It's got independent front and rear suspension with adjustable preload, which helps absorb bumps and provides a comfortable ride on rough terrain. The 4-wheel hydraulic disc brakes provide solid stopping power, which is essential for safety. So, back to our original question, is the Massimo T-Boss 560 the perfect first UTV? For a lot of people, the answer is a resounding yes. You get a ton of features that are usually optional on the bigger brands, like the winch, doors, and the touchscreen, all for a starting price that's often under $10,000. It's a great value proposition. It has enough power for almost any light to medium duty job or trail ride. The simple-to-use controls and standard safety features make it less intimidating for a beginner. And while it may not have the top-end speed of a high-performance sport UTV, it has all the core capabilities a first-time owner needs. What do you think of the Massimo T-Boss 560? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more reviews, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the trails.